Chef Gross Show, where I will make gross things that no one wants to eat. All you need, these are the ingredients. Goldfish, a tomato, a bowl of water, salt and pepper. This stew is called stew. First, you take your pepper and you sprinkle it in the water. That gives it a nice peppery flavor. Then you take the salt, put some salt in, take one tomato, drop it in there. Be careful, it might splash on you. And then put 3 goldfish in. Mush up the tomato.
Hey, Mommy, on his name.
And stir it up. Then stir it up. Now the goldfish. It right now smells so good, but it tastes wonderful. I don't want to eat it, but there it is.